Hi everyone, guys, I've just started a gardening renovation project for next year. This garden has never been done properly, so I'm trying to do it the right way this time. I'm not a professional gardener, but I'm giving it my best shot. Join me as I learn and share tips on transforming this space into something beautiful. Let's crack on! Now comes the exciting part, deciding what to plant. Should I sow flower seeds or go with the small trees, guys? If you have any recommendation that would be perfect for this setup, please share them in the comment below. Happy gardening!